My corns are down. Oh no. I'm just going to temporarily tie them to my coconut tree over there. Need to see what I can do. I just temporarily tie them to the dragon fruit trellis there instead. I hope they don't break down. Oh my. I have no control, so. But let's see. Rain. Woo! So I'm catching up some water. I am so delighted to see that right now. For my gardening friends, that tropical storm Rafael will be heading in your direction. So I pray for the best for you. I pray you stay safe and warm, you and your families. If it's going to turn in a hurricane, if it's going to impact you any at all, I pray God's protection upon all of you, and my prayers are with you. I'm just hoping for the best with the winds and all. You can see these containers right here filled with water, and I don't know my cabbages. Look at them over there. Look at those ones. These ones are alright, and I have some more around the garden, but I'm not getting into a tour right now. But these ones that I place right here, I moved them to over here because they were filling up with a lot more water than you're seeing right now. So I think they're getting too much water. The water not draining out fast enough. I think maybe because the holes are at the side, but I don't know. It should be able to just go through. Alright, I'm going to help out the container to let it drain faster. So you can see the water setting right here. The garden is literally fine except for those. I'm just going to use my machete, my cutlass, and try to help out the containers that are storing the water, because root rats is what I don't want. See if I can use my left hand. Alright, see? So the water coming out. Phone in one hand, umbrella leaning on between my head and my shoulder, and the cutlass in one hand, my left hand, putting a strain on me. But I'm just showing you. I'm trying to share. I'm just doing what I have to do. So tonight, it is actually midday right now. So I can continue to do this up until in the evening. So tonight, you know, they're going to soak again. Soak. So I'm running out too. So I'm going to see what I can do. I'm going to do these off camera. They're going to fill up back, but I'm just helping them out for now. And I'll do it again in the morning, God's willing. But I need to put down the phone and use my right hand. I would like to say big up, warm welcome to everyone that is new, that recently joined the gardening family. I appreciate you one and all. Thank you all so much for coming on board. As you can see, what is happening? Rain and wind. Well, the wind slow down in my neck of the woods. when you see we having rains like this, you know that some parts of Jamaica is having it very, very heavy. You see, when my garden do stuff and produce, it doesn't matter how little and it doesn't matter how they may look. I am forever grateful because it is not easy to go here in Portmore because you have limited water, which is the rain, and extreme heat. So those are the conditions I have to tackle. And I don't get discouraged when things are, well, you do feel a little disappointed, but I don't get discouraged. I still press and I still push. Whatever I get from what I do, I am super grateful. So it may not be as how some people would expect, but I'm telling you, it is not easy. So you see this rain, I am grateful for. Look at the barrel. Yep, I am so grateful for it, but I am saddened at the same time because some places, some people, they are flooding out right now. Look at the water gathering right there. Look at the water there. I think I'm going to have to, there's a drainage hole over there. I think I'm going to have to push something through there so that some of this water that is settling can actually leave the backyard. Alright, so let me see if I can use this stick right here. There's a drainage hole around there. You're not going to see it, guys. Alright, so I rod out the hole with this stick so that the water can go through. Because if it back up to the step right there, you know that's a recipe for disaster. Could get flood out. It is evening now. Earlier today, I let out some of the water. See, they're backing up back again in the containers. That is backing up back again, even under there. See my containers. See the water right here now. I can't even step right here because I would go down in water, complete water right there. But I am grateful. Whatever happens, I just pick up the pieces, do what I need to do. I mean, it is tropical storm Rafael right now, and based on updates, it is expected to turn into a hurricane. So we are fortunate that we won't be experiencing the hurricane conditions. So I am just grateful. I am just grateful. So thank you all so much for everyone who reached out to me. I appreciate you. Everyone who reached out to me via email and via Instagram. Oh, and TikTok as well. Thank you so much for reaching out. I appreciate you. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay warm, stay dry, and walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.